Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and check Etihad Airways ticket confirmation. But before that, please do make sure you like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So there are actually two ways for it. The first is when you do a booking on Etihad Airways official website or by the when you take the service, you will be able to enter, it will be asked for you to enter your information, and when the confirmation is done, first you're going to receive right there on the website, and the second you will be able to receive it from on your email regarding at the confirmation, right? But if you do not seem to find it, then you can simply visit at the Etihad Airways official website and go to this section of manage account, and simply you will be able to see this flight status, right? Go ahead, tap on it, and now wait till it loads. And here in this section you're gonna find this kind of interface. First of all, you're gonna see the flights status over here. So if you would like to find it regarding any of the information regarding a flight, you're simply gonna go ahead, add in the Etihad flight number that you receive while booking, and you will be able to check out the status for it. Other thing that you can do is you can simply go back and tap on this manage again, and tap on this view or change booking, which will also lead you to where you can enter your booking reference or ticket number or your last name. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to tap on this find my booking, and you can see whether your ticket or your booking has been confirmed or not just right away. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.